close the door, sir.
Kevin almost let me forget the name room. So Kevin actually has pink eye. I need to put these drops in his eyes. It's not gonna like this, but we're gonna do it. I'm so sorry. Come back, please. Oh my gosh, I missed your eye. Come back. Kevin! Really? Come here. Good boy.